Ever wondered if that free gift from Temu is too good to be true, or if it will actually arrive at your doorstep? First, let's check out how these free gifts are offered. Look carefully at the terms and conditions. See that tiny text? It usually requires you to refer several new users to the platform. Now, the big question, are they legit? Well, the answer is it's complicated. Some users have successfully received their free items after completing the required tasks, but other users report never receiving their gifts, even after referring the required number of people. Dig through reviews online, pay attention to both positive and negative experiences. Keep in mind you will need to share personal information. Consider whether the value of the free gift is worth sharing your data. Be aware of phishing attempts and never give more information than necessary. So, are Temu gifts a scam? Not necessarily, but proceed with caution. Read the fine print, manage expectations, and protect your personal information.